Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all having a wonderful day, and if you're new here, hi, hello, my name is Dominique and welcome to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you a graphic eyeliner technique, and this is part 3 in my graphic eyeliner series. The first video I posted was on some specific techniques such as tips for hooded eyelids and how to stop eyeliner transferring. My second video in the series was all of my absolute favourite eyeliners and brushes, so if you haven't watched those, make sure you do check them out after this video. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to create this eye look, and I'm going to be showing you the technique, which is how to blend different coloured eyeliners together. So if you are interested in this video, please keep on watching. So as I mentioned, in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to blend different coloured eyeliners all together. That was like that took a lot of brain power to say, guys. That took a lot of brain power. I love to do like rainbow looks and sky looks, so blending different colours together with eyeliner is really important for my look. Okay, so before I start my actual eyeliner, what I like to do is I like to put some concealer down on my eyelids and powder it up completely, just because my eyelids are very veiny and I don't like to see that, and also because my eyelids actually get very oily, so I like to powder them down, so if my eyelids do get oily, the powder will absorb that and it won't affect my graphic liner. Also, it kind of gives me the effect of like a really clean, nice, smooth canvas ready for some liner. The eyeliners I am going to use are from Meron. Like I said, I have done a video listing all of my favourite eyeliners, so make sure you do check that out. Okay, so step 1 is to obviously decide what look you're going to do. That's really handy because it helps you know what colours you're going to blend together and where they're going to go, and that just makes it easier when you're doing your actual eye look. So you want to dip into your first colour. So the first colour that I'm going to go in with is the yellow, and I'm going to put that into the inner portion of my eye. So I have this handheld mirror because I prefer it when I'm doing my eye looks, because I can get right up and close to my eye. And when you're doing graphic eyeliner, make sure you take your time. There's like no rush. Just go with the flow, you know, it's very therapeutic. So when you're blending colours together, I find it easier when you're using wet liners because they're activated with water, so you can blend them and thin them out as much as you want. So as you can see, I have my first colour down, and now I'm actually just going to start going into my second colour. Just like this, and I'm going to place it right next to the yellow. Okay, so I've now placed my orange colour right next to the yellow. So now it's time to blend the two colours together. What I like to do is when I have my two colours together like this, I go back and dip into the first colour, which is the yellow. And then what I like to do is either take a paper towel or some tissue or a little cotton pad and just kind of wipe all the excess off the brush. So there's like a little bit left, but you're not going to get like a massive clump of product. And what I like to do is go in between the two colours and kind of go back and forth in like a zigzag way. I'll show you guys now. So I'm just going to go in between the two colours, just back and forth. Just like this, and as you can see, the colours are pretty much almost blended together. It's actually really simple. So that's what I like to do first, and then I go in with the second colour, and obviously the second colour that we used was the orange, and I do the exact same thing. I dip my brush into the colour and then I wipe off all the excess, so there's not going to be like a massive clump, because we just need a little bit of product to blend the two colours together, and I do the exact same motion. And I'm going in really soft, literally with the tip of my brush, and I'm just going in and gently blending the two colours together, just like this. And then as the last step, what I like to do is just completely take all the product off my brush So I'll just wipe it down on my little cotton pad like this, and I'll keep wiping until there's barely any colour left in the brush, until I feel like there's nothing, it's all pretty much gone. And then I like to just pat in between the two colours again. And that is literally how I blend my colours together. So I'll show you again when I do the next colour. So the next colour that I'm going to dip into just to finish off this line is red. Okay, so now that I've added the red, you can tell that there is a really harsh line. So we're going to do exactly what we did before. So I'm just going to wipe off my brush because red is a very dark colour. So I'm just going to take some water and spray it on my brush just to get rid of all of that product. And I'm just going to wipe it down on this little cotton pad here. Okay, so the first step, as I said before, going with the first colour, which is the orange, dip it onto your brush and then wipe it off onto this pad just to get rid of all the excess. And then we're going to do that zigzag, very light motion in between the two colours again. So then we're going to go back in with the red again, wiping all of the excess off. And then we're going to go over and do the zigzag motion again. And then I'm going to pat off as much product as I can onto this cotton pad, just so we have pretty much a clean brush. And we're going to do it one more time just to make sure all of those colours are blended together. And there we have it. We have a fully blended 3-colour eyeliner, and it looks really good. So like I said, it is so easy. I don't know if this is a technique that like everybody uses, but this is a technique that I do, and I find it really helpful when you're blending the colours together. And you can literally do it with every colour. Like I said, this technique works a lot better for wet liners, just because if the liners get a bit dry, you can just reactivate it with a little bit of water and they'll just blend together really nicely. Okay guys, and that is literally all you do to blend your eyeliner together. And then on from here, you can add whatever you like. I usually like to add some clouds and all of that good stuff. So just get creative, and I really hope that this helped. So that is it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that this technique really helps you. I'm not too sure what I'm going to do my next graphic liner video on, so if you have any suggestions, please let me know in the comments. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure you leave a like, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Thank you guys so much, because we hit 2,000 subs. Oh yeah, thank you so much. I am so grateful. So thank you guys, stay safe and have a wonderful day.